Year 2 and welcome to our maths lesson. Let's get started. What day is it today? While you're thinking about that, let's sign the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What day is it today? If you said Thursday, then you're right. My turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Well done. Today we're going to practice counting using numbers from 0 to 20. Before we start, let's practice our teen numbers again and make sure that we're saying the n sound at the end. My turn, then your turn. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's it. Okay, let's start counting. Today we're going to start at number 2 and we're going to stop at number 13. First, we're going to count forwards, and that means that our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This time, let's count backwards. That means that our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. This time, let's start at number 11. And we'll stop at number 19. Off we go. Let's count forwards first. Remember, that means our numbers are getting bigger. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This time we're counting backwards, and that means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Well done. Underneath these squares, there are some numerals. What I'd like you to do is look carefully as I reveal each numeral and tell your grown-up what it is. Yes, it's 3. That's right, it's number 8. Yes, this one is 7. That's right, it's 0. Yes, it's the numeral 6. Well done, it's 5. Yes, this one is 9. That's right, it's number 1. Yes, this numeral is 4. And the last numeral is number 2. Today, we're going to be finding one more using numbers up to 10. You're going to need your 10 frame today, and you're going to need some small objects to help you with your counting. Pause the video while you find them. Okay, let's get started. Our sentence says, 1 more than 7 is, and we need to find the answer. Our first number is 7. First, we have 7 counters on the 10 frame. Then I need to add 1 more. I'm going to add 1 red counter. To find out how many I have now, I need to count all of the counters. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 8 counters. 1 more than 7 is 8. Okay, let's try a different number. This time it says 1 more than 5 is... So first we have 5. Here I have 5 blue counters. Then I need to add 1 more. I'm going to add 1 red counter. To find out how many I have now, I need to count all of my counters. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6 counters. 1 more than 5 is 6. Okay, your turn. Use your object to put to represent the blue counters, and then use a different object to represent the red counter that you add. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, now let's do it together. Our sentence says 1 more than 8 is... So first we have 8 counters. Here are 8 blue counters on the 10 frame. Did you put 8 counters on your 10 frame first? Well done if you did. Then I need to add 1 more. Here's 1 red counter. Now I need to work out how many I have altogether. How am I going to do that? That's right, I need to count all of the counters. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 counters now. Did you work that out without counting? We can tell that there's 9 counters because we have 1 empty space on our 10 frame. Let's think about that problem again. First, we had 8 blue counters. Then we added 1 red counter. Now we have 9 counters altogether. 1 more than 8 is 9. Is that the answer that you got too? Well done if you did. It's your turn again. Pause the video while you have a go. Okay, now let's do it together. The sentence says 1 more than 6 is... So first we have 6. Here are 6 blue counters. Then I need to add 1 more. I'm going to add 1 red counter. Now I need to work out how many I have all together. How am I going to do that? That's right, I'm going to count all of them. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7 counters altogether. 1 more than 6 is 7. Is that the answer that you got too? Well done if you did. Okay, this time it's going to be a little bit trickier. This time we need to identify the first amount and put those objects onto the 10 frame first. Let's have a go together. Let's read this sentence. It says 1 more than 9 is... What do I need to do first? First, I need to put 9 counters onto my 10 frame. The first number I need is 9. I'm going to use the blue counters for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Next, then I need to add one more. I'm going to use the red counter to add one more. Let's have a think. So first, I had 9 blue counters. Then I added one red counter. How many do I have now? I don't need to count them. I can see that my 10 frame is full. That means I have 10 counters now. That tells me that one more than 9 is, that's right, it's 10. Let's try this one. I wonder if you can do this with your grown-up. Pause the video while you have a turn. Okay, now let's do it together. The sentence says, one more than 7 is, so first, I need to look at this number. First, I need 7 counters. I'm going to have 7 blue counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first, I have 7 blue counters. Then I need to add one more. I'm going to use my red counter for that. Now I need to work out how many I have all together. I need to count them to do that. Let's count all of the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 8 counters all together. That tells me that one more than 7 is 8. Well done if you got that right. Okay, have another go. Pause the video while you have a turn. Okay, now let's do it together. This time our sentence says, one more than 5 is, okay, the first number that I need is 5. First, I'm going to put 5 blue counters onto my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I need to add one more counter. I'm going to use the red one this time. Okay, now I need to work out how many there are all together. How am I going to do that? That's right, I'm going to count them all. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 counters now. That tells me that one more than 5 is 6. Well done if you got it right. One more turn. Pause the video while you have a go. Okay, now let's try it together. The sentence says, one more than 8 is, first I need 8 counters. Let's put 8 blue counters onto the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I need to add one more counter. Let's add a red counter. Now, how many do I have? How can we work this out? We could count them, but look carefully. There's only one empty space on our 10 frame. That helps us to work out how many we have now. Let's count them just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 counters now. First, we had 8 blue counters, then we added one red counter, And now we have 9 counters altogether. That tells us that 1 more than 8 is 9. Well done if you got it right. Now I have a little problem for you. This boy is Tom. He went to the shops. First, he bought 7 cars. They're the blue ones that you can see. Then he bought 1 more. That's the green one that you can see. Which of the 10 frames shows how many cars he has now? Have a think about that. First, he had 7 blue cars, then he bought 1 green car. Pause the video while you have a look. Okay, now let's look at it together. I'm going to look at this 10 frame first. So remember, first, Tom bought 7 blue cars. Let's check. Has he put 7 blue cars onto his 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, Tom has put 7 blue cars on the 10 frame first. Then he bought 1 more. Has he put 1 green car on? Yes, he has. It looks like this one might be the right one. But let's check this one first. Let's have another look. First, he bought 7 blue cars. Did Tom put 7 blue cars onto the 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, he did. Then he bought 1 more. Did he put 1 green car onto the 10 frame? Oh, no, he didn't. Tom put 2 more on. That's not the number that we're looking for. This one is not right. So this 10 frame shows us how many Tom has now. How can we check to work out how many cars Tom has now? Yes, we can count them all. Let's count them all and find out how many Tom had altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Tom has 8 cars. Well done if you got that right. Okay, here's your job for today. What I'd like you to do is use your 10 frames and your objects to find the answers to these questions. Pause the video while you do it and don't forget to take a picture to send to your class email address. Okay, now you've finished those, have a go at these ones. Just like before, remember to take a picture and send it to your class email address. I can't wait to see how you got on. That's the end of our maths lesson for today. See you tomorrow.